How to create social media post scheduling in ClickUp. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to create social media post scheduling in ClickUp. If you don't know yet, ClickUp is a work management tool that lets you have a workspace so you can manage all your data, all your tasks and others. And in this video, we're gonna use ClickUp for social media post scheduling. So first you can go to your ClickUp dashboard and then go to your left side. As you can see, there is my space. I'm gonna add new space for my social media task. So it's specific for social media. Let's say name it with social media. It's like that. And then you can just make it private or not, and then click continue. And then you can choose for the define your workflow. I'm gonna choose project management. Then you can see the default views and you can set it up. It's up to you. I'm gonna, leave it like that and then click create space. After that, I'm gonna add templates in this space because basically we're gonna use templates from ClickUp. It will be easier for us because we don't need to, create it from scratch. So go ahead to the social media space and then click plus icon here. And then you can go to templates and it will bring us to the template center. We're gonna select all of the template types like this, and then go ahead to the search box and type social media just like that, and you will find a lot of social media templates. We're gonna looking for social media scheduling. So I'm gonna choose this one, social media post, and you can see this is the description. And then also these are the features. There is set status groups, custom fields, a lot of custom fields, and also a few types. And then you can just click use template here. Then you can name it, let's say, uh, social media, social media post. And then you can import something if you have a data or something like that. And then you can just click use template here. After wait a few seconds, my template just created. As you can see, this is my social media post scheduling. There are a lot of items here. You can just, modify it. Let's say you can click this one. You can modify anything here. There are some custom fields, you can add information or delete information. And if you want to try another template, you can just repeat the process and try the other one. And I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.